Hi students, how are you beta? First you open the page number 8. Today I will teach you our last point. And our last point is scientific method of measuring time and establishing age. In last period I taught you about the historical period. Now listen. I taught you we are actually measuring time when we talk about today's date or day or week. And I told you there are various methods of measuring time, and these methods we use to identify a particular day, month or year with respect to an earlier or later day or month or years, means before that month or after that month, means we measure the time before that month or after that month. I will tell you one example. Listen. Suppose this is June month. Earlier month of the June was May, means before June was May, and the next month will be July. Now I will tell you a running month September. अब मैं आपको September month के बारे में बताऊंगी. Now September month is running now. The earlier month was August, and the next month after the September will be October. Understood? If today is 10th of June, if today is 10th of June, then we can tell tomorrow will be the 11th June, and yesterday was 9th June. अगर आज की डेट 10th जून है तो आफ्टर 10th जून 11th जून आएगी, और 10th जून के पहले कौन सी डेट आएगी? 9th जून. So when we measuring the time, we actually measure its length. The events before beginning of the common era are mentioned as having occurred before the common era. मीन्स कॉमन इरा के शुरू होने के पहले जो भी घटनाएं हुई उसे बिफोर द कॉमन इरा कहते हैं. उसे बिफोर द कॉमन इरा कहते हैं. वी गेट सम इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट दैट इवेंट with the help of evidence. We get some information about that event with the help of evidence buried under the ground. इन सब घटनाओं के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन हमें जमीन के अंदर गड़े हुए कुछ अवशेष और कुछ चीजों से मिली. Now this evidence is usually in the form of broken man-made artifact and fallen structure, and with the help of these remain and using scientific method we can determine time of event that took place thousands of years. Means we got some things under the ground related to that event, and so we can decide the time of that event. There are so many layers of soil under the ground. There are so many layers of soil under the surface of the ground. We can't be state definite time or date of the period of these layers, and अब द रिमेन्स फाउंड, ये जो सॉइल्स की लेयर है और उसके नीचे मिलने वाले जो अवशेष है उसका हम परफेक्ट टाइम, परफेक्ट डेट उसके बारे में नहीं बता सकते, but we can measure the time, a rough estimate of how many years ago they existed. We can use the scientific method, as carbon 14 analysis, tree rings analysis, and dendrochronology. These types of method is known as dating technique. These methods are known as dating techniques. By using this method, we learn how old the layers of soil and the remains found in them, and we can also determine their approximate period. इस मेथड से हम सॉइल की लेयर्स और उनमें मिलने वाले जो अवशेष है वो कितने सालों पहले के हैं ये हम बता सकते हैं. I will tell you example. If an earthen pot estimated to be 5000 years old, with the help of dating technique, we can say that the earthen pot dates back roughly to 3000 BC. Then we can conclude period of the culture to which the pot belong must be around 3000 BC. BC means before common era or before Christ. डेटिंग टेक्निक की हेल्प से अगर हम डिसाइड करते हैं कि कोई मिट्टी का बर्तन 5 साल पहले का है तो हम ऐसा कह सकते हैं कि द टाइम पीरियड ऑफ दैट पॉट, उस पॉट का जो टाइम है वो 3000 ईयर्स बिफोर कॉमन इरा, 3000 बिफोर कॉमन इरा ऐसे कह सकते हैं. और उससे रिलेटेड कल्चर के बारे में भी हम बता सकते हैं कि उस टाइम कौन सा कल्चर हो सकता है. ओके बेटा, नाउ आवर लास्ट पॉइंट आल्सो फिनिश. थैंक्स फॉर लिसनिंग मी. ओके बाय.